To cut out an object from a photo using lasso tool on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Next, tap lasso. Now tap or draw around anything you want to cut out. Tap next. Here you can customize the outline, like changing the outline color and adjust the outline thickness. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. As you can see, the selected object has been cut out from the selected photo. Given to the function, you can use this feature to easily cut out an object from a photo with precision and use it later in other edits, like adding element to a new background or create unique digital collage. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.